Let's talk today about one common concern of overweight individuals and of the females who had one or more pregnancies, the bulging tummy. Hi, I'm Dr. Kiranmayi Atla, a board-certified plastic surgeon practicing at Accord Hospitals, Faridabad. Excess body fat tends to accumulate in the lower part of the body, especially in the lower abdomen, hips, waist and thighs. This is the case both in males and females. And in addition to this excess fat, in women who had multiple pregnancies, because of the repeated stretching and contraction of the abdomen, they have sagging skin along with the stretch marks, which may sometimes extend on to the upper half of the abdomen. The umbilicus, which is normally a vertical slit, becomes transverse and is downturned, looking seemingly unhappy. In addition to this, not only the vertical sagging of the abdomen, it also widens up. A repeated weight gain and loss leads to a condition called divarication of the recti, in which we have two longitudinal muscles in the abdomen on the other side of the midline. They get stretched apart, and due to this condition, even on repeated exercising, they do not regain the tone of the abdomen. Unfortunately, most of the symptoms that I have just described, they are not corrected just by diet or exercise, and they need additional procedures to be improved. And it is now possible to correct them all through the tummy tuck procedure. As the name suggests, tummy tuck is a procedure in which helps you restore the shape of your abdomen, technically called as abdominoplasty. It is done usually in association with liposuction. In liposuction, the excess body fat which is deposited around your waistline and the lower abdomen is removed. The entire skin from the upper part of the chest to the lower abdomen is re-draped and it is tightened, and all the excess sagging skin along with the stretch marks are removed in this procedure. The umbilicus is recreated, divarication of recti is corrected, overall restoring the curvaceous waistline and giving your abdomen a flat and a toned look.